Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the really awesome, super awesome KitchenAid Coffee Grinder 5KC G8433. It's a Burr Coffee Grinder, and this is for our perfect grind, for perfect dosing, for built-in adjustable portafilter holder. If you have a espresso machine, you can use a portafilter to get this into that machine, and the portafilter will fill up with fresh grinded beans, and then you can make an awesome and so delicious coffee out of it. Less mass, and it's easy to use. There are a lot of colors out there, like gray, red, black, and it's a dark white, and it is designed for our perfect grind. Every time, this KitchenAid Burr Coffee Grinder achieves exceptionally consistent grind sizes for all brew methods, from French press to espresso and so much more. With 70 process settings, the automatic smart dosing technology takes the guesswork out of dosing and automatically adjusts the grind timeout, deliver the proper volume and consistency. And its compact design fits under the most kitchen cabinets out there, so it's easy to access and great for everyday use. We have 70 process settings. This is possible, and that's a lot. From coarse for cold brew and French press to fine for espresso. The easy reference brew method icons helps us to match the right grind size to each brew method. And we have an automatic smart dosing technology. This allows us to select the caps or the shots desired. The grind time is adjusted accordingly, regardless of grind size or brew method. And of course, the really awesome built-in adjustable portafilter holder. We grind directly into 54mm or 58mm portafilters, perfect for espresso making. And less mass, with an anti-static technology to reduce the static charge in masses, and 10 Oz removable top hopper to easily transfer unused beans back into a sealed container for French keeping. Or we switch the beans in between brews. The capacity varies based on the bean type and roasters, of course, and is designed to pair perfectly with the KitchenAid semi-automatic espresso machine, which is sold separately. And of course, this awesome kitchen machine you can see on my channel too. It will pair perfect to that devices. But of course, every other coffee making machines out there are compatible with that grinded beans. And with the KitchenAid semi-automatic espresso machine is an awesome partner with that grinder here, because you can use from that espresso machine, you can hold or you can grind directly into the portafilter, and then you can make a fresh and super delicious coffee out of it. That's awesome. That's really awesome. The depth is 5 inches. The cross wide is 9 pounds. The height is 15 inches. The net weight is 6 pounds. And it's awesome because it looks so beautiful and timeless modern. KitchenAid designed the Artisan series so awesome that this will gain or brings your kitchen to another design level. Our Burr grinder here has 70 unique grind sizes settings that are suitable for a range of brewing methods, from the finest setting for espresso to the coarse setting from French press. We have only to adjust the dose selection knob. We can choose from 1 to 2 shots of the espresso or 1 up to 12 cups for coffee. For example, for French press, the grind size should be coarse. The dose selection is 1 up to 12 possible. And we use the bottom hopper to adjust this easily. If we are using a percolation, medium coarse, 1 up to 12 cups, and the bottom hopper will help us to adjust it. A drip coffee machine. We can use a drip coffee machine and partner with that grinder here. Then we make a medium grind size. Up to 12 cups are possible, bottom hopper, and the really awesome espresso that needs a fine grind size. We can choose 1 up to 2 shots, and we will need a portafilter holder for get this grinding thing out of it. And then we can use it easily to attach it to our machine. The first step is we have to clean all parts and accessories. That's good, okay? We place the product under a dry, flat, level surface, such as a countertop or a table. Then we place the top hopper onto the machine where the lock icon is facing to the front side. We easily rotate the top hopper until it clicks into place. We add whole coffee beans. We place the top hopper lid onto the top hopper, and then we can seal it there. That is really, really comfortable and good for the beans. And for the grinding into the bottom hopper, we open the rubber stopper and slide the bottom hopper into the position. That's so easy as you hear. If we are going to grind into a portafilter, we remove the ground catcher tray, and then we remove the portafilter holder from its storage location. We insert the portafilter holder into a portafilter holder guide, and we place the ground catcher tray. For grinding into the portafilter, we are using a standard residential portafilter. This is 54 millimeter. We insert it along to the top guides of the portafilter holder. If we are going to use a 58 millimeter one, we need the other slide. And then we can select the grind size. This is the big brew method to rotate the grind size knob. This is the upper knob, and rotate it to the right grind size. As grind size number increases, the actual grind size decrease. 1 is coarse and 70 is fine. Then we can adjust it. Job's done. If we are going to select the coffee dose, this is the selection knob on the right side of the machine. So we can now enter the numbers of cups or shots we will need. For French press, percolation, drip coffee, we select 1 up to 12 cups. In espresso, 1 or 2 shots. Then it's so easy to start grinding. We press the start and stop button. The grinder will stop automatically when the time reaches 0 on the display, because before we have entered it. We like this button again to during a grind pause. And to cancel, we have to press it 3 seconds. And then the fresh grinder beans comes out and easily. Really. That's awesome and easy. And it makes so nice grinded beans for your coffee machine. The coffee will gain you to another barista level by only that machine in combination with a good coffee machine. This is the KitchenAid Coffee Grinder 5KCG8433. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.